So Clemson chose robotic milking mainly out of necessity. This was just sort of a great solution to that. We were able to help with our labor issues. We're able to demonstrate a very modern system for our producers, and it allows our researchers to explore dairy nutrition and dairy management research that's relevant to robotic milkers, which is something unique for universities in general, but particularly those in the Southeast.
DeLaval, I like the ability to wash with the wash cup, and that does the pre-strip too. I like the cleaning system a whole lot better with the DeLaval. I like the accuracy and how fast, much more faster and efficient they are. I'm amazed every time I walk in there and see what it can do.